shelf.
This is for you, Benno.
It's just getting better and better this trip.
Mate, I reckon I'm about as far away from home on mainland Australia as I can get, and I'm having a fat time.
Did you pay for those?
Yeah! My wife sees this.
Simpson fuel drop, this is.
No, I was trying to get a crocodile into the big river, but crocodile got scared of me, so he just ran away. You just come in overcooked.
We've got some rivers to cross. We've had plenty of sand, tricky terrain. Some of the guys are pretty much at their limit and pretty worn out, but we're looking after each other and we're having a ball.
267 kilometres to Dunbar.
Things get a bit squirrely, you just wind on the throttle, don't you?
So they tell me. That's what I didn't do. I buttoned off.